Tired of hotel reward programs that leave you stranded? Let's unlock the secret weapon. Transferring Chase Ultimate Rewards points to Marriott Bonvoy for amazing hotel stays. First, log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards account. You can do this either through the Chase website or the Chase mobile app. Once you're logged in, take a moment to verify you have enough points for the transfer. Next, find the Transfer Points section. It's usually under the Rewards or Use Points menu. Scroll down and locate Marriott Bonvoy as a transfer partner. Click on the Marriott Bonvoy logo or a Transfer Now button associated with it. You will now be prompted to enter your Marriott Bonvoy account number. It's crucial to enter this information accurately, so double-check. If this is your first time transferring, you might need to add your Marriott Bonvoy account by verifying your first and last name. Now, enter the number of Chase Ultimate Rewards points you want to transfer to your Marriott Bonvoy account. Remember, transfers usually happen in increments of 1,000 points. Finally, review all the details of your transfer one last time. Make sure the point amount and your Marriott Bonvoy account number are correct. Once you're confident, click Confirm Transfer. You should receive a confirmation message almost immediately. Points typically transfer instantly, but allow up to 48 hours. Now go book that dream vacation.